Hey y'all, it's Allison from MotorBiscuit, and I'm here with the Ford Bronco Raptor. I drove it from Rock Hill, South Carolina to Asheville, North Carolina to Clemson, South Carolina, and back again to see what life with this off-roading beast is really like. I spent hours on the highway, backcountry roads, twisty mountain roads, and off-roading. Here's a fair warning. If you drive the Ford Bronco Raptor, prepare for attention. People will stare at you as you drive by. You can see their eyes looking at your SUV instead of the road, so it's actually a little bit concerning. Also, people love to come up and take a look at it while it's parked and will try to start a conversation with you if they can. It just draws so much attention. And it should, because it's well equipped with off-roading upgrades. It has a wider track to enhance its stability and rock crawling capabilities. And it's noticeably well planted while climbing up over obstacles and driving at higher speeds. It feels so confident and well planted. It has the same Haas 4.0 racing ready suspension setup as the Ford F-150 Raptor, with Fox active dampers and integrated reservoirs in the front with remote reservoirs in the rear. The modified upper and rear control arms by the Ford Performance team enhance the suspension travel, and each corner has sensors to adjust the suspension accordingly. Ford Bronco Raptor rides on 17-inch beadlock capable wheels wrapped in massive 37-inch BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. Aside from a little initial lag, the 10-speed automatic transmission is incredibly smooth. I'm amazed at how confident and strong the brakes are. There's no trouble when it comes to stopping at high speeds or on slippery conditions. Pretty nimble with an excellent turning radius, making it super easy to park and maneuver in tight city parking lots. You can even parallel park it without any trouble. The ride is extremely smooth even over large dips and impacts. You don't have to slow down or avoid chunks of broken pavement or rocks in the trail. Impacts are settled extremely quickly, so you can just keep on going. The interior provides a nice blend of high quality materials, including tons of all-weather rubberized protection. The seats in the Ford Bronco Raptor are still pretty comfortable and supportive. The back seat is surprisingly small, so you can see that my knees are almost hitting the back of the front seat, and I'm 5'1", so chances are that your kids are already taller than me. But the rear cargo hold is massive. It's so deep and wide. You can fit so much gear back there, and the door swings open to provide tons of access. The only issue is the tall liftover height and the ability to reach the back of the seats to fold them down. There's tons of visibility out of the front, but the spare tire completely blocks your rear view. Luckily, the 360-degree camera and rear view cameras have a crisp and clear resolution to make up for the difference. Overall, the Ford Bronco Raptor has surprisingly good manners on the pavement with a smooth ride and a nimble turning radius. It can do anything off-road, from racing in the sand, wading through water, and climbing over rocks. But it may lack cargo space and passenger for families and can be quite loud at times. Racing around town and off-roading is so much fun, though it makes up for any of the potential drawbacks. Thank you for tuning into a MotorBiscuit video. My name is Allison, and we hope you'll subscribe to keep up with our future releases. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at MotorBiscuit Official, on Twitter at Biscuit Motor, and visit us at MotorBiscuit.com. We'll see you next time.